Colourpop, Colourpop, Colourpop. We have a new collection. I of course was sent all this in PR, so I'm just going to give you a wee quick rundown of everything that's in the entire collection. So first off, we have the eyeshadow palette. I think the colour story is beautiful. If you wonder why I'm not going balls deep into any of the products, I do eventually get there in the tutorial. And then we have two of the Glitterly Obsessed body glitters. We have two shades of these. We have a Gratitude and BRATZ are BRATZ. And then we have this squeezy tube plumping lip gloss. Then we also have the individual crystals sheet thing. I've already dug into these, as you can see. I done a Halloween makeup look on Saturday. I'll actually post a wee video or picture here, sorry, of it. If you want to go and have a wee nosy, that's all on TikTok. I was initially wanting to film it for Instagram or like YouTube or something, but it was so time consuming and just every individual wee gem, it was a nightmare. So yeah, scrap that. But it is all up on TikTok if you want to go and have a wee nosy. I'll leave my TikTok listed down below. And then we also have two liquid liners. The purple one is 2001 and the pink one is super styling. And then lastly is the lip kits. I mentioned this in the video, but if you're going to buy anything, buy the goddamn lip kits. I already know what I'm going to do. I'm wanting to do, of course, something that is very BRATZ doll inspired. I'm obviously wanting to do a cut crease. I was even looking at the makeup that they're even wearing on the packaging, but no, nothing's really appealing or standing out. So I'm going to do a cut crease with a couple of mattes and a couple of shimmers. The shade here, Stepping Out, I'm going to take that first. Is this colour looking different on my eyes than it is in the pan? Anyway, so just building this up in the crease, just on the inner corner to start with. I'm still taking that same brush and I'm not going to be taking any more product on it. I'm just going to give it a wee bit of a soft blend before I go in with a more fluffy brush to even further blend it. I might actually take Dump Him. I love that. Dump Him. This shade here. I would go in with this shade here. This beautiful pink. But there seems to be a bit of a slight pearlescent sheen to it. Yeah, that's blended out quite nicely actually. And then I'm going to go back into that purple shade in that first brush. And I'm just going to build this shade up just within the crease. Just going to go back and repeat what I just done there. So building up that first shade, that purple. And then blending it out. Okay, I don't mind the lighting. Our electric has just went out. So I'm going to take this shade here. And I'm going to just lace this on the outer corner now. This has been happening quite a lot recently. I don't know whether there's work going on somewhere and our electric is just getting cut off for some reason. But it's mental how you just rely so much on electric and Wi-Fi, and like mainly for us, Wi-Fi. We don't live very far out in the country, but we live far out enough to the point where we don't get delivery services and we get no signal, no nothing. So basically we rely quite a lot on Wi-Fi for our phones and stuff, and to ring people through WhatsApp or ring people through Wi-Fi or something like that, because as I say, we get no signal, no nothing like that. But it was it was the other day we ran out of electric, and I can't put electric in the house because it's Kyle that does it. He does it through his phone and the app, and he has all the passwords and blah blah blah. So I of course had to wait until he came home to obviously like put more electric in the house. But because there was no electric, we had no Wi-Fi. So we couldn't use our phone to top up our electric. We were literally standing out our back like trying to get 4G or 3G or something. So we were able to get onto the app to top up the electric. We could have went to the shop and done it obviously with the wee card, you know. No, seriously, like this is just... Oh, is it back on? Oh, it's back on. on. Oh, must just have to manually turn them lights on. So yeah. And then once I have that shade packed on the lid at the inner corner, is that going patchy? Can you see there? That's going patchy. Oh dear. And then another blending brush. I'm taking that same colour. This is Jade, by the way. I don't think I mentioned that. It's actually a beautiful colour, but that's looking patchy for some reason. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but you can see a definite line as to where I have packed on the colour or the shadow and then started to blend it. Like, it's not blending very well. I'm going to be cutting the crease anyway, so it doesn't matter, but still, if I wasn't going to be cutting the crease, this would be a bit of an issue. So I'm going to take the blank canvas base and just one of these Louise base brushes. Oh, maybe not. Maybe this isn't the best brush to cut a crease with. State of that. Once that crease is cut, I just like to take a wee bit of micellar water, some cotton buds, preferably the ones that have the wee points on them, or you know, but these ones here, I don't even know where I got these, but I'm going to now dip into the micellar water and just clean up the inside of the cut crease. I just basically remove all of this eyeshadow. Now time for the fun bit. I feel like we could do so many things now in this cut crease. I'm obviously wanting to apply one of these shimmers or one of the pressed glitters. So this is a pressed glitter, and this one and this one. This one's just a really nice metallic shimmer, as is this, although this is more of a glittery finish. This is actually a beautiful shade of this one here. And then these two are just, they're mediocre. This one's quite nice actually. Oh. This one here is very multi-tonal. It's in the shade Girls Night Out. So it definitely does have a purple, like a lilac base with a reflex of gold, blue, turquoise through it, pink. It's stunning. It's so, so pretty. And then we have the blue. Like, I think that would look really nice as well. I think because we have done like the two colours through the crease, we could go either way with them two shades, or this bronzy gold, which is also multi-tonal. Because I was thinking if I maybe done the gold on the lid, I would introduce one of these, either the blue or the purple, on the lower lash line somewhere. The gold it's safe. It's a safe option. Oh, it's so pretty though. We also have the body glitters. If I used the Girls Night Out shade, this one here, one of these would be stunning on top of it. Oh no, what did I do? What did I do? These are body glitters, but I also like to use these on the eyes as well. They're not recommended for the eyes, but oh well. These are very, very pretty. They're absolutely stunning. They have so many multi-dimensional and reflective glitters in them. And there's also wee butterflies as well. Do you know what? Feck it. I'm going to go in with Girls Night Out. And shall we do the gold right along the lower lash line? Oh, I'm excited. That's gonna look so good. Right. So to start, for my base, I'm gonna go into That Girl, which is this shade here. This is also really, really pretty. It's a beautiful shimmer shade. I'm gonna apply that down all over the cut crease as my base before I go in with the pressed glitter shadow. Then I got into Girls Night Out. As you can see, I went on ahead and just done it this eye off camera. This colour is actually quite hard to build up. Like you'll see, I was expecting it to be a wee bit more opaque and just maybe a bit more pigmented, but it's actually quite sheer. Like I was able to build it up, as you can see, but it took a while. Do you know what I was thinking of using the eyeliners? I think it would be obvious if I used the eyeliners, but here's the thing. I don't like coloured liquid liners. The pink one, which looks like that, they are pretty, but I'll just never use these. And then that's the purple one. I kind of did hold the two of them up against my eyes to see what one would look nicer. And I was thinking maybe the pink one, but I don't know. I just think that the gold glitter liner just pulls it off a wee bit better. Just used the Revolution glitter liner mixed with Maybe Mitchell blush. You see this like teal blue green and the purple. I feel like gold really complements those two shades. Like them three shades go so well together. And I wasn't too sure on what one of these to use, so I mixed both of these as well. BRATZ and Gratitude. So I mixed the both of them. Is that nice? I don't know. Do you know, this is one thing I really do not miss about being blonde anymore, is having orange hair. I used to get an orange hairline all the damn time. If you've seen my previous makeup tutorial, I can't even remember what it was. What was it? It was like a drugstore makeup tutorial or something. I can't even remember what it was, but basically I had used the Jade lip kit and it's beautiful. It's so pretty. It's just a perfect kind of like pretty fall autumnal lip combo. Now this will do. We'll just stick with Yasmin. So let me see. It is the Pretty Princess Lippy Pencil and the Pretty Princess Lippy Stick. And I'm just overlining, obviously. Ooh, BRATZ. My favorite thing about this collection is the lip kits. I feel like if you're going to get anything from the collection, get the lip kits, or just one or two. They're beautiful. I love the color combos, and I love the fact that there's the tiniest wee bit of like metallic sheen to them also, which is very on theme for BRATZ as well. But as you know, if you watch my tutorials, you would know how amazing the Colourpop lippy sticks are, and they're lippy sticks. Did I say that twice? Lippy pencils. My favourite so far definitely has been Jade, which is this one here. I'll maybe put up on the screen here what Jade looks like, the combo that I was wearing. So I'll of course have everything linked listed down below in the description box for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.